In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text and duplicate a page in Squarespace, ensuring that your website management becomes more efficient and productive. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website editor. You can do this by logging into your account and selecting the site you want to work on. Once you've reached the editor, locate the section of text you want to copy. Clicking directly on the text you wish to duplicate allows you to access the editing functions. With the desired text highlighted, perform a right-click to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the Copy option. This action stores the text on your clipboard, allowing you to paste it elsewhere within your Squarespace site. Next, find the spot where you want this text to go. Click on the area in your site where you'd like to paste the text. The cursor should be active in the text box before you proceed to the next step. Then, use the right-click menu again and choose the Paste as Plain Text option. This ensures that the text formatting remains consistent with your site's theme rather than adopting any existing formatting from the source. Once the text is pasted, a confirmation dialog will typically appear. Simply click OK to finalize the paste process. After ensuring everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save to store your changes. To exit the editing screen and return to the main dashboard, click on Exit. This brings you back to the primary editing interface of Squarespace. Now, if you want to duplicate a page, head over to the Pages section of the editor. This can be accessed via the main menu. Choose the page that you wish to duplicate by clicking on it. This action brings up various options for that specific page. In the Options menu, you'll find a button labeled Duplicate Page. Clicking this prompts Squarespace to create an exact copy of the chosen page. A pop-up will appear, and you'll need to confirm your action by clicking Confirm. Once the duplication process is complete, you will be asked to name the new page. This step is important as it helps you keep track of content and maintain an organized site structure. Simply type in the desired name for your page and make sure it's clear and descriptive, aligning with your site's content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied and pasted text, as well as duplicated a page within Squarespace. With these skills, managing your site's content should become a seamless and efficient task. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.